Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create VK account on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first, you have to open your VK apps on your phone. After that, just tap on the sign up. Here you have to enter your phone number and tap on the next button. You will receive a text here. You just have to wait for a minute. This is for the code. Here's the code. You just have to enter the 6 digits number here to the column. And now, at the camera icon, just tap on it because this is as your profile. Tap on allow access to all photos and choose the right one. I'm gonna choose this one. After that, tap on the next button at the bottom. Just match it, and if you're done, tap on the done button. Now tap your first and the last name. And here, pick your gender. After that, tap on the next button. And in this page, you have to select your birth date. Tap on the field. Now just select your birth date. And now just go ahead to the next button again. After, enter your new password. And in the column below, confirm your password. After that, again and again, tap on the next button. You can search your contacts here at the button below, but here I'm gonna skip it by tap on the skip button at the top. And here you are. You already have an account now. So guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.